decided tonight to make a little quick tartar sauce. Just a little avocado mayonnaise, some lemon, some salt and pepper. I chop up dill pickles with a little bit of dill seasoning. And I wanted to give you a quick kitchen tip, which is read your labels. This is one of my favorite mayonnaise. It's an avocado mayonnaise, and if you look at the ingredients, they're perfect for either the H-burn or phase 3 of the Fast Metabolism Diet and or the cleanse. However, I grabbed a large bottle and I was not paying attention. This is their Classic Mayonnaise versus what I love, their Avocado Oil Mayonnaise. And this one has sugar in it. Cane sugar right there. So this is going back to the store. But I just wanted to remind you to always read your labels. Manufacturers will change things. People will decide to add different ingredients. But as I was making a little bit of tartar sauce tonight, I wanted to just remind you all to read your labels.